I'm just making this hood news real quick. Talking with my AI up in here. And we got episodes of the Bro Nogan podcast. And remember, Bro Nogan is a character. But anyway, for hood news, I'm going to just talk about Bodycam Declassified. It's a YouTube channel. They make a lot of fake. Well, anyway, I asked my AI to tell me what they know about this channel. And let's see if hopefully it starts all the way over. But I asked, what can you tell me about Bodycam Declassified YouTube channel?
Like distrust in police reviews.
Okay, so it started in the middle. But the YouTube channel, Bodycam Declassified, primarily features scripted videos that mimic police body camera footage. Here's a breakdown of what you should know about this channel. The content is staged. The videos are not actual body cam footage from official law enforcement sources. They are produced with actors, scripts, and editing to create a realistic body cam aesthetic. The channel explicitly states in its bio that the content is created and produced content and original creative works. Yeah, when you read the channel in the description, that's like the last sentence of it. These are the recreations. These ain't real videos. Dramatic and sometimes sensational. The videos often depict heated confrontations and dramatic scenarios aiming to capture viewer attention. Titles can be provocative. Viral content. Some of their videos have gained significant traction and gone viral across various social media platforms. Rage bait accusations. Some viewers have criticized the channel, labeling its content as rage bait, designed to provoke strong reactions and exploit public distrust in police for views. Fictional scenarios. The storyline presented in the videos are fictional. For example, a recent video depicted a parking enforcement worker giving a police officer a ticket, which escalated into a confrontation and supposed arrest. This event was confirmed to be staged with actors. Another video gaining traction features a scenario titled "Cop Pulls Over Black Judge and Lives to Regret It." No verifiable details. Investigations into some of the channel's videos, such as one alleging a blind man was carrying a weapon, have found no verifiable real-world basis for the events depicted. Therefore, when watching Bodycam Declassified, it's crucial to understand that the content is scripted entertainment and not genuine body camera footage. So the one that I'm making this video for is the one with the judge. The judge in that video, she has some good lines and she's a good actress. So a lot of people are falling for it. Hell, I even almost kind of fell for it for a second, but not really. I saw a reaction video that was just too funny. A big YouTuber. I don't know what he's gonna do when he sees that he made a fake video. Is he gonna roll with it or take his video down? But he should keep it up because his reaction is hilarious, man. Veins popping out his neck and everything. I couldn't help but laugh, man. But the judge video, it doesn't appear anything is broken, and that sound effect is pretty bad. Sound like a shotgun, and then some glass mixing in with it, and it was a crazy sound effect. A lot of sound effects was crazy, and even when he goes in to write the ticket, I didn't watch it paying full attention to it the first time I watched it. So I was wondering how he wrote the ticket so fast, but I figured it was maybe a cut in there or something that I didn't notice. And then he hands it like this red ticket. But yeah, that video's fake. Another one, the FBI agent video, is fake and it's bad. The videos are bad. They're kind of like Darman 2.0. And Darman made some horrible fake videos. But you got to think about YouTube Kids. But people, the bad thing, the real thing, I'm making this video too long. But the main thing I'm making about this video, in this situation, you could just look at that channel. You see the original channel, the channel that I was just talking about right now. So yeah, those videos are skits. but they're designed to make you mad and upset. But everybody gets tricked sometimes, man. Everybody gets tricked sometimes on the internet, man. But you do need to have some common sense, man. Add things up and ask questions.